It's that time, hair wash time. Yes, one of the most exciting times in my life, right? I know. And I'm going to use the Boldplex Bond treatment. First, I'm going to start with the Boldplex Bond. This is the strengthening shampoo. It is amazing. It's number 4, and it makes my hair feel nice and creamy. It lathers incredibly well. Then I'm going to use the Boldplex Bond strengthening conditioner. Yes, this one is number 5, and the conditioner kind of elongates my hair and just makes it feel extra soft and super conditioned and just nice and amazing. Oh gosh, it's amazing. Then I'm going to use, yes, that's not all, guys. Then I'm going to use the Boldplex Bond treatment number 3. This restore treatment, it will restore your hair to a magnificent state of the hair stuff. Yeah, it feels good. It just does amazing. And when I put that on, look at this. I mean, I just have, yeah, it needs some work right now. I'm going to put this bag on it right here, the plastic bag, and I'm going to soak in the bathtub for a while and just let my hair, let the conditioning restore treatment soak in. And then, guys, that's not all. You don't have to use the entire 5 things that I use. You can just use 1 or 2 and you'll still feel just wonderful. Your hair will love you for it. I will use the Boldplex Bond soothing serum, and your hair is so soothed. It just, your hair is like, I love you so much. Yes, when you use that. And then I'm going to use the Boldplex Bond. Yeah, restore hair oil. Oh my gosh, the hair oil feels good. But right now, as you can see, my hair is going to be washing. Oh my God, is that a gray hair? I got another gray hair. Where'd it go? Oh no, I pulled it out. That means I'm gonna have 20,000 more. I didn't mean to pull that out. I barely even, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. That was a gray hair, and I did not mean to pull that gray hair out. Okay, guys, so this is, watch the transformation that my hair is going to go through. Now you see it. And then with a snap, maybe it's a blink. Stay tuned for the after.